up, guys? Kyle here. Welcome back to the channel. It's another day of interesting things going on. Today we are, sorry, it's bumpy. Today we are going to head to Indiana. Man, it's a bad angle. Sheesh. We're heading to Indiana to go get another Silver Crown car. So we're excited for that. Another pavement car added to the stable for next year. Some would say, well, what do you need another pavement car for? Why are you doing that? Well, because that's what we want to do. So that's what we're doing. We're going to hopefully run the full Silver Crown series next year and not miss any shows like we did this year and not get caught up racing the mod as much this year. So we're doing that. Also, some more exciting news. I'm taking a midget that we just purchased from Rick Young, Rams Racing. Good friend of mine. I met him last year at the Chili Bowl. He just, he did me a favor and helped me out. And we're going to take that car to Zach Dom's. And Zach's going to extract the motor out of that car and put it into a new King chassis that we just purchased. So we've got a Bullet, a King, and a couple Crown cars now. So we're changing up the pace of things. Maybe leaning more towards open wheel racing. I don't know. Maybe I'm just building a program for one of my kids when they get older. That's kind of what I'm looking towards the future right now. I'm getting older, and I got to start thinking about those things, about how I can help them moving forward. So that's where we're at. We'll have just kind of some clips of what we're doing today. Nothing too exciting. I just wanted to fill everybody in on what we're doing. I'll put in some time lapses and some stuff like that, but we're mainly just riding down the road today. But just kind of wanted to fill everybody in on what we're doing and where we're going in the direction that 2024 is going to hold for us. And I think it's a lot of excitement. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I appreciate you guys all so much. This YouTube thing's new for me, and we're just trying to grow the page. So enjoy the ride. Thanks, guys. A couple difficulties there. I rented a Dodge for the trip, and the reducer hitch didn't fit for my hitch, so I had to go in. I was going to cut it down on my saw, but I ended up finding another reducer hitch that I had on the shelf, so I got lucky there. Got everything hooked up. Got the midget. Me and my dad got the midget off the stands. Got some air in the tires. Got it loaded up in the trailer, and headed to 5D now. So we're just... And today there's not going to be a whole lot of cool content, but this is just kind of like a day in the life of what I do. And we're just zooming down the highway and making trips to Indy and doing stuff, getting parts, things like that for these race cars to keep running. Along with, normally I've got the grace from my dad today to be off work, so I'm out getting to do this, and I love windshield time. So it's just something I enjoy, and it's nice to get out from underneath the desk and get to do some stuff. So keep following along, guys. First stop, 5D Motorsports, home of Zach Dom. We're gonna drop the midget off here, and he's gonna do his magic on it. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna film inside or not. I'll see if he lets me, but yeah. So here we are. It's 5D right here. I'll put a link in the description. He sells all kinds of open wheel, stock car parts, you can name it. He does it all. Good friend of mine. Good guy. I've known Zach for many years. Drove for him at the Chili Bowl a couple times. So here we are. Stop one. We're at 5D. The legend himself, Rodney. He's in here checking deck height and sail panels. So he's going to make sure everybody's...
This is wrong. You've got to fix it. If not, just load your shit up. I'm done. Done telling.
Roddy, baby. All right, guys, so we made a stop at 5D. Car's out, and now we are heading to pick up Austin and head on our way to Indianapolis to Nolan Racing to meet Joe Axum to get that car. So here we go. Next stop, Austin, Brownstown, baby. Got to pick up our trusty sidekick, Austin, because what road trip would be normal without him? Good to know. Picking him up on the ramp. Bug picked up a hitchhiker right here on the side of the road. What's up, bitch?
Nothing. You want to be a racer?
Want to be a racer? Pick your crew guy up on the side of the highway.
See today.
Real weird. What you see on the road is these big ass truck stops, like shit everywhere. Crazy. Pretty much like super Walmarts on the highway. Get everything from pizza to Taco Bell to every snack you could ever think of. Kind of crazy. They even got showers. Pretty nice. We are at, I don't know what mile marker we're at, but we are stuck in traffic. Part of this racing stuff is getting stuck on the highway. Stuck in traffic. Frustrating. Alright, so Austin and I have arrived at Nolan Racing, also Clausen Marshall, and we have acquired a new car. I can't tell you exactly what it is, but it's going in the box, and it's going in there for PRI show. You'll soon know what it is. Stay tuned. We're headed back, right into the sun. Never fails. One way, then we go back into the sun. St. Charles, Pocahontas to Indy, Indy, Pocahontas, St. Charles. Here we go.
Forgot Brownstown ramp in there.
Oh, and the Brownstown ramp to let my crew guy back off and out the door. Here we go. Guys, we made it back. We made the trip today. Just kind of a recap. We went basically from St. Charles to 5D to pick up Austin, and then Austin straight to Brownsburg, Indiana to pick up what's in the trailer there for the PRI show. I don't want to show it yet, but it's pretty awesome addition to the fleet of cars that we already have. It's so thankful to have opportunities that I've gotten. Thankful for my family, for our business, everything that we've got going here. Just awesome. I call it riding the wave. Like right now, just riding the wave, man. I'm enjoying all the success, all the great things that are happening in my life, all the positives. So something to think about out there. If you're having a tough time or something like that, you just got to keep on doing what you're doing. So either way, thanks for following along, guys. It's been a long day. I'm ready to turn the camera off, close the trailer door, close the shop door, and get home, eat some good food, and get some rest and start again tomorrow. So thanks again. Like, follow, subscribe, all the good stuff. I'll put links in the subscription or in the description for 5D, Speed Shop, and then whatever else we did today. So thanks again, guys. Have a good night.